n'est pas là, qui fait quand t'es pas là. Envoyer balader, danser tout l'été. Monter on n'est pas là, qui fait quand t'es pas là. Danser tout l'été. Monter on n'est pas là. Danser tout l'été.
Merry Christmas, Paris.
Merry Christmas, Paris.
De verdade, nosso sentimento.
Amazing. Can you see the floor?
Atelier de Lumieres or something.
Oh, what is it like?
Magnificent. I feel uplifted by this. It's just beautiful.
Uplifted.
Uplifted, yes. Actually really sad to be leaving.
Should we just let him go and go to you and I say?
Throw me out when it's dark.
Já acabou. Eu não queria te ver sofrer. A história que eu vivi com você era muito especial. Perfeita, como eu era. Fiquei sozinha, te esperando toda noite. Quando eu tenho alguma coisa pra lembrar de você, é só coisas bonitas, lindas, maravilhosas. Mas sozinha, eu não consigo mais.
Right, Mum.
In Paris, and our tour guide Pamela
Michelle's Paris told us about. She said it's the best park in Paris. And just quietly, I think she's right. The views are stunning and worth the walk up the hill. But when I have a heart attack, I might not think so.
Ni le bien qu'on m'a fait, ni le mal, tout ça m'est bien égal. Non, rien de rien.
This is the tomb of the Fonzie.
Je ne regrette rien, c'est payé.
Tim, thank you for getting us here.
That one's open. Never escaped.
Avec mes souvenirs, j'ai allumé le feu, mes chagrins, mes plaisirs, je n'ai plus besoin de...
And McDonald's are here. This is where all the zombies get their McDonald's from.
Balayer les amours avec leur trémolo.
Where are we, Judd?
We're at the Père-Lachaise Cemetery. Beautiful cemetery. You see, really pretty.
Je repars à zéro. Non, rien de rien. Non.
Another escapee. Another escapee.
Je ne regrette rien.
I think Christmas, I think ants.
Maybe that wasn't a perfect
And wasps.
And wasps. And mushrooms. This is called Jardin des Plantes, which sounds to me like plant garden.
Why
Le
did
bien qu'on m'a fait, ni le mal, tout ça m'est bien égal.
so we're kind of like our own Emily in Paris walking through it
Yeah,
with a nature angle.
It's all in Paris.
that's right.
Yeah.
This is awesome. This is all the dancing you guys are going to get into soon. Would you guys like to join in? Seems a bit simple. Mum, that bit of a dance move from me for my video?
Oh,
Great.
I love it.
I can picture this being somewhere in spring or summer. You just have people on the street. Yeah.
Ni le bien.
Lots of fish.
Nothing countless, look over the edge and see how deep how far down the water is.
Qu'on m'a fait, ni le mal.
I hear an accordion.
Merry Christmas. Tim, Merry Christmas. Enjoy your food.
Ça m'est bien égal. Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien.
And what are you about to eat?
Frog's legs, Tim.
And do you want to demonstrate for us how to eat frog's legs?
I haven't quite worked out how to do it yet.
Yeah, you have.
I know, but I'm just mastering it. I'm going to be hot.
It's like
can do
when you eat chicken wings.
I'm looking forward to trying it.
I'm filming you doing this. Oh.
It's okay. That's okay.
You can make sure a better video.
I know you can do this.
Yum. Very yum.
Oh.
Have you tried it?
What would you compare it to, man? Chicken? Some say it's chickeny fish. Would you agree with that statement? Yeah.
Car ma vie